in this invisible sea. Getting pulled over, guys. Alright guys, welcome back to another video. So we are starting off getting my car washed right now. Funny story, I had Aaron, who's in the garage right now, he saw my car parked in public. He reached out on Instagram and was like, hey, can I wash your car? Like, he's starting his own car wash business. I'm like, yeah, I'll definitely be part of that. So he's washing my car today. Hasn't been washed in like 4 weeks, so he's gonna make it look nice and pretty for today. But yeah, pretty cool. We're at his house right now and he's gonna start washing it, and I'll make sure to let you guys know where you can find Aaron so that he can possibly wash your car too. So we'll hop into the cinematic. Alright guys, he just finished detailing the car and this thing looks incredible. You got that mirrored look on it. This thing really needed to be washed. Alright guys, just got the car detailed. This thing looks so good. Yeah, Aaron is 15 years old, so he's a young entrepreneur, so go support him down below. Alright guys, well it's a little darker now. Earlier we were washing the car, getting it ready, but we are actually at a meet right now, a small meet. We're gonna have some of the fastest BMWs in Colorado all get on the highways and see who's the fastest, so it should be a lot of fun. This is the setup we got right now. We've got an F80, he's upgraded on pure turbos, I believe. We got a bunch of single turbo N54s. Then we got Brian's single turbo M3 all the way down there. But yeah, this is gonna be the main event tonight. We've got Tristan single turbo 135 versus Dante single turbo 335. Both clean cars, both super fast, and we'll see who takes the W tonight. Just uploaded the video installing the single turbo kit on Brian's car, so this will be exciting because we'll be able to see what his single turbo F80 does tonight against a bunch of like other single turbo cars. And yeah, say hi to the camera.
Got another camera.
I know, we got the same camera. What do you think the car's gonna do tonight, man? It's your first night out with the single turbo.
My car's not turned up.
It's not turned up?
No.
I saw you put 85 in it.
Yeah, I put 85, but it's not turned up, dude. Like, Zach's is turned up. I have a car I need a car right now, dude. My Supra's down. Once the Supra's up, then I can turn it up. But
yeah,
I want to have
it'll still be exciting to see what it does tonight, though.
Yeah, no, I'm excited, man.
All right, Zach, what did you do to your car tonight, man?
Well,
it looks like it's missing a couple of things.
So I don't know what happened. A couple things, you know, disappeared from the car, and the car got light. It's at 25 PSI, but we lightened it up, so.
Yeah, I think you're missing just a couple of things. Nothing crazy, dude. You were literally so gutted. Guys, look at his trunk, like no liner, nothing. Seats are all out, door panels are gone. He's you're looking to make some moves tonight. You're looking to put some power down.
The goal was really to, you know, make some power and kind of see where my build's going. Got the diesel trans, and the trans is holding up. And we're ready to send it.
Dude, all right, it should be fun. Crazy how much. Guys, check out this E30. This thing's crazy. When it pulled up, you would have had no idea that it had this sitting underneath the hood. This thing will be a lot of fun to watch race tonight. And like, it's a sleeper. Like, you would never be able to tell that it has that big turbo underneath the hood. That's so crazy. All right, guys, so I'm actually not driving my car tonight because I'm simply just not fast enough. Everybody here has upgraded turbos and whatnot, so I'm gonna be riding in this F80 M3. It's got upgraded pure stage 2 turbos, so yeah, it'll be fun because I've never been in a S55 with upgraded turbos, so I'm excited to see how this one feels tonight. All right, guys, so we are in the F80 right now. We're gonna start heading out. We just had another M4 pull up. He's on upgraded turbos. And just to correct myself, this M3 that we're in right now is on Vargas turbos, not pures, so just let you guys know. Yeah, have you heard his single turbo M3 yet? sounds so crazy because I helped film the process of them installing it, and we took it around, and just nothing sounds like it. Like a single turbo S55.
Yeah.
It's a whole different experience. Yeah. Yeah, once he like fully goes on the throttle, you'll be able to hear the different exhaust note. You can already feel the difference compared to my car. Tristan and Dante. Single turbo M3, but we were at like 50, right?
Yeah.
And his car was spinning a lot, so I forgot to mention it's really cold tonight, so a lot of us aren't really putting power down as we want to. Guys, check out this M4 that we were racing earlier. This wrap is crazy. He's got the weld wheels and the R888 tires on it. So he's got the upgraded Piers as well. Here's the F80 we were just running in.
One of us just
yeah,
were
explain
racing.
that. What was happening?
So we were racing, I think Dante, and we we're getting close to this 4Runner who's in the other lane. He had just gotten over, and all of a sudden he swerves in our lane, and Brian had to slam on his brakes. And then Brian tried to throw a bottle of something at him.
It sounded crazy. That was my first time hearing it do polls with the
really?
new turbo.
Yeah, no, it did pretty good in my opinion for what it is.
Nah, dude, it's hauling ass. Dude, you beat Dante again, didn't you?
I did.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I couldn't see because you guys got way out there, and it looked really close, but it did look like you were pulling on him.
Yeah.
So.
Where's Dante? Is he not here? I thought I saw him.
Oh, there he is, right there. Yeah, we're learning more and more that this single turbo F80 is no joke, and he's still waiting to put more power on it too.
Yeah, I'm not gonna do it just yet until the Super's done.
Feels good, bro.
Yeah. Sounds good. The pops, dude, are insane. When you're behind this thing and it lets off one of its pops, dude, I'm like, dang! Like echoes through the whole highway. Such a clean engine bay though. All right, we are all rolling out and getting back on the highway, so we'll try to get some more pulls. I want to see that E30 get some action out there too.
And you kept up the whole time, dude.
Dang,
yeah, look
that
right
was
here.
a really close one. So that was Zach's car, the gutted 135 versus
you pull
Brian's
and you stop.
F80.
Yeah.
All right, guys, Brian is so fast that his spoiler flew off, guys.
Threw a
No, we
spoiler
just
out.
installed it improperly yesterday.
Time to pay for that one.
Did you install it on like a cold day?
Yeah,
Was it
I
tacky,
had
was
a
it
heat
tacky
gun.
enough?
I had a heat gun.
Fucking eBay products, dude. What do you expect?
eBay, yeah, dude. What,
Chong, we-
eBay products in your store, dude? What are you doing for? All right, guys, so I'm gonna hop into Zach's car. We'll see how this goes. He's gonna take me to my car since I'm parked down the street. Wish me luck. What do you got to say about that?
Big seat. He gonna be in the back trunk.
I'm just, yeah, he's gonna do a pull. I'm gonna be right there, and I'm gonna be right there in half a second. So this would be interesting.
Monday I'm car
I guess I'll just throw my bag in here.
Throw it in the back seat, baby.
In the back seat. There we go. All right, we'll hop in this invisible seat.
Oh, it's pretty comfy, huh?
This is luxury at its finest. Oh, honestly, guys, this thing is pretty comfortable because you can like lay down in it, but I cannot see the road. Like, this is what I can see. I'm literally looking at the dash and I can't see anything else.
Oh god, you adjusted my seat.
Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah, I cut myself adjusting your seat. I can see all the way back to the trunk. Dude, this is hilarious. That was scary. That was really scary.
You gotta stay in it, bro.
Dude, I'm literally like wobbling around down here on the floor. I've never felt a pull with you just being like loose on the floor. It feels way different. That was crazy. And you were like, dude, what was that? How high did you get up on RPMs?
On RPMs, I went all the way to 7,000.
Yeah. Guys, that felt crazy.
That was a light second gear pull.
Shoot. All right, well now I know what that feels like without being in a seat.
A few moments later.
Okay, well, we are getting pulled over, guys. I don't know how this is about to go with me sitting right here.
It's not gonna go good.
Shoot. I'm just gonna tell him that
What? They were moving?
Yeah, we'll see.
Yeah. Try to find my insurance.
Cool. You have your
Here's my driver's license.
perfect. Do you have a registration for the car?
I do actually. We're moving from one gas station to another to go pick up his car,
Yeah.
but there's no other freaking car.
You got no seat, bro.
I know.
Yeah. We're trying to get to the come and go on 120th, because
Yeah.
that's where my car is at. Because we went to the wrong, we were at the
Nope.
other gas station right down the street.
My registration.
An hour, what?
No, we just left. We finished up for the night.
Oh, all right. Well, the reason I stopped you is with your modifications
Yeah.
real loud, so
I'm sorry.
we're getting tons of complaints about it around here. So
Really?
obviously we're trying to crack down on some of that
I got you,
stuff.
boss.
All right, guys, so the cop just walked away. Reason why he pulled us over was the car is just too loud. His car is straight piped. It's pretty loud, so I guess he heard us do a pull. But he was really confused because he looked inside and there's no seats, no interior, and he just sees me sitting on the floor. So, but he seems pretty cool, so we'll see what he says. But dang, bummer. We were literally 2 minutes away from where we needed to be too. It always happens when you're about to get to where you need to go.
So we talked about your mufflers, right?
Yep.
Did a defective vehicle too? He needs to have a seat and a seat belt.
I got you, boss.
All right.
Gotcha.
You don't have to go to court for any of these.
Okay.
So it's gonna be a $120 fine.
I got you,
All
boss.
the information to pay on the back of the ticket when you get it.
Where's the
Sure.
restroom? Sorry, I'm still gonna pee really bad.
There's a gas station just right up
Okay.
there. Just your signature right there. Not a admission of
boss.
any guilt. Just promise to take care of the ticket for me. Okay?
Too easy.
Cool, man.
All right.
You guys
Appreciate it,
good?
boss.
Have a safe night, okay?
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
He was really cool. He wasn't like, oh, I'll go to court.
Got lucky.
Dude, 120 bucks, dude. I felt like, dude, I was
Winked at him.
honestly, I was thinking that this was gonna be probably over $500 in fines.
Oh yeah. That's very important.
I thought you guys were gonna get
How's it going, boss?
120 is cheap.
Yeah, 120 is cheap. Dude, he almost walked away with his license
On a
too.
daily basis.
Bro, I'm surprised he's letting me just like sit on the floor driving off. Like he does not care. Like I thought that would have been more of a concern to him, but he really did not care.
Yeah, he does not care right now. Yeah.
All right, guys, so we made it back to my car nice and safely, but yeah, the cop did not really like the noise Zach's car was making, so we got pulled over, but it was only 120 bucks. That could have been a way bigger ticket because one, we did a poll, and two, there's a lot of things he could have given a ticket for, like him missing a headlight, but I don't think he saw that, so that's good. But yeah, man, your car did really, really good tonight. Got some good runs in. He's stoked with it, and you can still push more power out of it too. That's the best part. So,
Got
anyways,
a lot left.
yeah, it's exciting. So we'll definitely have to see more action with his car on the channel, but that's gonna wrap it up tonight, guys. I'm back in my car. I'm gonna head home. What a crazy night. Lots of good races. Had a lot of fun filming it all for you guys. Then, of course, ending the night with getting pulled over. So definitely a crazy night. It's like almost 1 in the morning, so I'm ready for bed. So I'm gonna head home. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.